Say this with confidence. Don't worry. These two words can completely transform how people see you, making you appear proactive, dependable, and irresistibly attractive. Think about it. A simple two-word phrase has the potential to shift someone's perception of you in an instant. Did you know that this can even change the way women see you? Today, I'm going to reveal a powerful, straightforward phrase that can help you stand out in ways you never thought possible. It's not a magic spell, but when you say it with conviction and the right energy, you'll unlock a level of respect, trust, and attraction that can genuinely elevate your relationships. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate this power, move into your daily interactions, and start seeing results right away. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe to join this community of high-value individuals. We're all about leveling up in relationships, mindset, and life. Your support not only helps the channel grow, but ensures I can continue bringing you actionable, life-changing content. So, can I count on your support? Let's jump in. Now, here's the deal. Too many men make the mistake of being overly agreeable, hesitant, or indecisive. They say things like, "Whatever you want," or "I don't mind, you decide." And while they might think they're being accommodating, what they're really doing is broadcasting uncertainty and a lack of confidence. And trust me, that's not the vibe that sparks attraction. Here's the hard truth. Being passive or vague makes it easy for women to lose interest. Why? Because uncertainty screams, "I don't know who I am or what I want," and that's far from attractive. Women are naturally drawn to men who are confident, decisive, and know how to lead. Here's the secret weapon that will shift everything for you. The two words you need are "I want." At first glance, they might seem simple, ordinary even. But let me tell you, these two words pack a serious punch. Saying "I want" is more than just a phrase. It's a statement. It shows that you're self-assured, clear about your desires, and unafraid to express them. This is exactly the kind of energy that sets you apart from the crowd. Let's talk about how you can use this powerful phrase in real-life situations. If you're asking a woman out, lose the hesitation. Don't say, "Maybe we could hang out if you're free." That kind of energy, it's not memorable. Instead say, "I want to take you out this Friday. Let's grab dinner at this amazing spot I know you'll love." Feel the difference. You're no longer waiting for her to decide. You're leading the interaction, and that confidence is magnetic. Here's another example. If you're starting a conversation with someone you're interested in, avoid being vague or shy. Instead, say something intentional like, "I want to get to know you better. Let's grab coffee this week." This approach isn't just confident. It's refreshingly honest and straightforward, which women find incredibly attractive. Now, let me throw in a digital age bonus. Imagine sending just one text that flips the game completely. A message so powerful, it makes her think about you non-stop. Yes, there are specific phrases that trigger emotional responses so strong they're almost magnetic. If you're curious about how to craft these magnetic messages, click the link below to learn how to master this skill and elevate your dating game to a whole new level. Let's not stop there. If you're in a relationship, the "I want" technique becomes even more valuable. Instead of saying, "Whatever you prefer is fine," say something intentional like, "I want to spend time with you this weekend. Let's plan something fun together." This shows that you're confident in expressing your desires while demonstrating genuine care for her. But here's the key. Confidence isn't the same as arrogance. When you say "I want," it's important to pair it with respect and empathy. For example, if you say, "I want us to grab dinner tomorrow," and she can't make it, respond with understanding. "No problem. How about Saturday instead?" This combination of decisiveness and flexibility is what makes you truly stand out. In fact, using "I want" isn't just about your desires. It opens the door for her to express hers as well. This creates a dynamic of open communication, mutual respect, and deeper connection. And here's a pro tip. Your tone matters. Saying "I want" in a warm, approachable way makes you come across as confident and kind, rather than pushy or rigid. Now, let's talk about action, because knowing this secret isn't enough. You need to practice it. Starting today, I challenge you to use the phrase "I want" at least 5 times a day for the next week. Practice it in both big and small situations, whether you're ordering at a restaurant, talking to colleagues, or interacting with someone you're interested in. When you start using "I want," you'll notice people responding differently, seeing you as someone who knows what they want and respects themselves. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. Confidence isn't something you fake. It's something you build, and using "I want" is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to start building it today. But I want to hear from you. How do you plan to use this technique? Drop a comment below and share an example. Even better, come back in a week and let me know how it worked for you. Your success stories motivate me and inspire everyone in this community. If this video gave you value, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing. And if you're serious about becoming the best version of yourself, comment the phrase, "I'm stepping into my power." Remember, confidence isn't just about what you say, it's about how you live. Let's go out there and make it happen. See you in the next video. Keep shining, my friend.